Spain's busiest airport, Adolfo Suárez Madrid-Barajas, has unexpectedly become a refuge for hundreds of people with nowhere else to turn. Inside the sprawling terminals, once symbols of sleek modernity, nearly 500 individuals now seek nightly shelter, sleeping in corners, near restrooms, and even under restaurant tables. Many of them are long-term residents, driven indoors by unaffordable housing and a fragile economy. What began as a discrete cluster of individuals using the lower levels of Terminal 4 has escalated into a visible, unavoidable presence throughout the airport. Despite frequent announcements and overnight temperature drops meant to deter prolonged stays, the numbers keep growing. Some travelers report seeing people sleeping beside their suitcases, while others note more troubling scenes: alcohol consumption, verbal disputes, and public urination in high-traffic areas. Sanitation has become a pressing issue. Reports of insect bites among airport staff prompted pest control interventions to combat bedbugs, ticks, and cockroaches. Fumigation efforts now include hallways and even check-in counters. Though officials downplay the scale of infestation, employees say risks to health and safety are becoming hard to ignore. Airport workers and unions have raised alarms over what they describe as constant exposure to unsafe conditions. From makeshift beds to confrontations and occasional thefts, many now consider their daily work environment unpredictable. Several staff are preparing formal complaints to the Ministry of Labor. Meanwhile, police patrol the terminal routinely, verifying documents and watching for illicit activity. While most occupants are not violent, there have been reports of drug use, and a few have been found carrying makeshift weapons. One long-term resident said that while most keep to themselves, some prey on others, especially during the early hours of the morning. Social workers and advocacy groups warn that simply relocating these individuals within the airport fails to address the root causes of the crisis. They are being contained, not supported, one aid worker noted. With no security, no privacy, and no real solution in sight, the airport now reflects a much deeper problem: a growing number of people left behind in a city grappling with rising costs and limited housing options. As international visitors arrive and witness the unfolding situation firsthand, the challenge for Spanish authorities is no longer just about maintaining infrastructure, it's about acknowledging and confronting the human story taking place within it.